Hi. So in this video we are going to see MongoDB and its set of corresponding queries. So firstly we need to know what exactly MongoDB is. So MongoDB is NoSQL database. It is used to store large volumes of data. It stores data in the form of documents in BSON structure. When we say BSON structure, the structure is same like of JSON key value pair. In MongoDB, table is equal to collection and row is equal to document and keys are equal to columns. MongoDB provides the facility to create read-write operation and it does not need to necessarily have schema. So it is a schema-less. When we said NoSQL, we mean to say it is a not relational database and it stores semi-structured data. We can store unstructured and structured data also when we say semi-structured data. If we talk about its feature, then first one will be is its rich query language support. It has its own aggregate framework for data selection. Again, being scalable, we can scale up and down as per our requirements. Again, being schemaless provides many more facilities to add any fields or any kind of structured data as per our requirement, and as we can do development as per a requirement changes. So if the schema changes, there will not major impact. Again, as it is open source, we can have a community version and enterprise version also. It has a replication, so data is stored in distributed format also. So these are some of the major features of MongoDB. If we talk about why MongoDB, because it is used to store large volume of data. It is a schemaless and its scalability. This can be the major factor that we can go for the MongoDB. So yeah, that is all about why what of MongoDB. Now let's move towards further queries. In order to create a database, we can use command. You need to use keyword use, and after the database name, and the database will be created. In order to reflect the database in this list, you need to create at least one collection inside the database. Now use database name job portal db. Now we are moved or switched to that job portal database. Now in order to the database created with one collection, we need to create one collection, and db command is used to show which is the current selected database is. Now let's create a collection. So db.createCollection method is used to create collection. Create collection take argument as a collection name, or in SQL terms table name. Okay, jobs. So yeah, as you can show collection is used to show the list of collections, and show dbs is used to list out database, and db is used to show which is the current database is selected. As I said, to list out tables or collections, you can use show tables or show collection command. Now let's see how we can insert documents in the collection. So there are two ways either you can insert one document at a time, or you can insert many documents at a time. So firstly, look into how we can insert one document at a time. So first, db dot, you need to select db, then dot jobs is the collection, and insertOne is a function which is going to take argument as a document. So here we have taken document as an argument to insertOne, and this argument is a document of job application. Okay, so yeah, as you can see in the response, we have got acknowledgement and in the ID that has been created for that particular document. Let's find how many documents are there. Okay, as you can see, we have one document. Let's find and let's view this in pretty format. You can use pretty function to see in pretty format. Okay, in well format. So yeah, our document has been inserted successfully with insertOne. So now moving towards further queries, let's see how we can insert multiple documents with insertMany function of MongoDB. Here DB indicates selected database, jobs indicate collection name, and after that whatever function you want to use, you can use that. Okay, here I want to do many document insertion, so I'm going to use insertMany. So yeah, let me copy that from the notepad, okay, and did it. After that, we just need to, the insertMany takes an argument as an array of documents, or we can say array of objects. Okay, let's take okay, we have pasted that array of documents. You can see in insert IDs 4 documents has been inserted and acknowledgement has been true. It means we have successfully inserted 4 documents in jobs collection. So okay, here just let's find out. So what we have done here wrong is that collection name is wrong. Our collection name is jobs and we have typed that job. So yeah, that's why it has not given us a response back. Now yeah, here we have got the response in well format, and you can see that here James Smith has been repeated as firstly we inserted James Smith, and again doing insertMany also we have inserted James Smith. So yeah, currently in our collection 5 documents are there. So here we can see the James Smith is duplicated. Let's try to update that with the help of ID. Okay, updation also can be done in 2 ways. You can do single document updation and multiple document updation. If you want to update single document, you can use updateOne. Firstly goes condition, and after that whatever the condition you want to set for that particular field. So here I want to do update as per ID, so I'm mentioning the condition. If my underscore ID is the above copied ID, if it matches this condition, then set, I want to set here $set will be used to set value for the particular field. $set is an operator here, So yeah, $set again in object. Name will be Jed Smith. Previously it is Jen Smith, and we are trying to change it as a Jen Smith. So here it has found no match, as underscore id is a object id type of field. So we need to convert our string into object id in order to find its correct match. Okay, as you can see, match count is 1 and modified count is 1. Let's find if this updation has been done right or not. Okay, again find Jen Smith, and here okay, I guess we have done something wrong while doing updation, as Jen Smith we can still see 2 times. Let's go to the query and check what has been gone wrong. Okay, so here the applicant name should be there, not name only, as there was no key of type name. Okay, here match count is 1 and modified is 1. So yes, as you can see, yes, Jed Smith has been reflected. So yeah, successful updation has been done. Now let's move towards further queries. Now let's try to delete documents from the collection. You can do deletion in 2 ways. Either you can delete one document at a time, or you can delete many documents at a time. In order to delete one document at a time, you need to use deleteOne function, and if you want to delete multiple documents, then you can use deleteMany. So again, db.jobs.deleteMany. First object will be the condition on the basis of which deletion is going to be happen. So yeah, here I have written the condition. Applicant name is, if applicant name is Jed Smith, then delete the document. So yeah, we have got the response that acknowledgement is true, and yeah, deletion has been done. So yeah, deleted count is 1. Okay, as you can see, Jane Smith is there, then directly there is a Lena Bose 3, and Kim. So yeah, there is no document applicant of name Jed. So yeah, deletion has been done successfully. Now let's count the documents. Previously it was 5, as Jane was the duplicated, and we are after that replaced with Jed. So yeah, now 3. We have deleted 1 again. Now it is 3. Now let's try to use deleteMany. When there is no condition, it selects all document and performs the operation. Now here deleted count 3. So now all the documents which are present in the collection has been deleted successfully. As there was no condition for deleteMany, it is going to select all documents and going to delete. Let's try to find the current count of the collection, and you can see here is a 0 count. So there is no any kind of document in the collection. Let's insert again our previous documents. Yeah, so now 4 documents has been inserted with the help of insertMany. Now just jobs.count. Let's count down the documents. So currently we have 4 documents in the database. .count method is used to count number of documents present in the database. Okay, till now we have seen insertOne, insertMany, updateOne, updateMany, deleteOne, deleteMany, these many functions. Now let's see comparison operators. So first one is a $equal. $equal is responsible to perform equality. if you want to find a user with name Kim, then $= operator can be used to perform equality. Here we are trying to find a user with a work experience 7. So yeah, so we have got no response as there is no field named work experience. Here should be years experience, as in the document field name is years experience. Let's do again jobs.find and pretty. So as you can see here, Kim have 7 years of experience, and yeah, it means that our previous query was giving us correct output. Let's try applicant name Kim John. And here the fields we want to see in our output. I want to say email, or we can say that these are first will be the condition object and second will be the selection field object. Okay, so here I want to see in output email, cover letter, status, and I want all this in pretty format, in the well format. So yeah, I'm going to use pretty. So as you can see here, I have not used equal to operator. So yeah, after key we are going to apply equal to operator. Key is applicant name, after that the equal to operator. So yeah, as you can see, the result has been came. Let's get it in format, well format. So yeah, you can see, so applicant name who has Kim has been outputted with email, cover letter and status as per our selection fields. Now let's try not equal to. Not equal to works opposite of equal to. If you want to find if you want to apply not equal to condition, then you can apply $any operator. Here you want to find all the applicants which does not have name Kim. So firstly key, after that not equal to operator, and then value which should not be equal. So yeah, so we have got 3, as previously we had 4 documents. 4th document was Kim, so except Kim we have got 3 documents in the response. So yeah, we have got correct output as per our query. Let's try any with status field of the document. Let's find candidate which has been not selected yet. So status is the key, after that operator not equal to, and the value which you want to compare, that is selected. See here, Jen Smith, Lena Bose and Kim Jong. These many people has not been selected yet. Till now we have completed comparison operator equal to, not equal to. So yeah, we are getting the output as we are expecting. As per our expectation, we have got the output. Let's try to work with another comparison operator, that is greater than. Greater than operator $GT is used to find the value, find and make a comparison greater than the specified value. Here, as I mentioned, year of experience greater than 5. It means that I want to find all the applicant which have a year experience greater than 5, not equal to 5. This is the thing we need to remember. In case of $GT, it does not apply equal to, it only apply greater than. It is the greater than, not greater than equal to. So here, firstly, we have mentioned the condition that years of experience greater than 5, and after that the selection fields that applicant name years of experience, and we have got expected output as Kim G is the only applicant. She has 7 years of experience, which is greater than 5. So yeah, like I said, first object in the find will be the condition, and second object in the find will be the selection fields. So now I want to find, let's see another comparison operator, that is greater than. Okay, let's see more about greater than. Now when I'm applying greater than 7, it is ideally going to find greater than 7 only, not equal to 7. So it is not going to give us any kind of response, as there is no document or applicant present in our database who has experience greater than 7. So yeah, we have got no response. Now let's see how it works. There is another operator for greater than or equal to, that is GT. So if you apply GT, so when I applied 6, so yeah, I have got the response for the Kim with 7 years. So yeah, it is only work for greater than, not greater than equal to. Another operator, like I said, greater than and equal to is GT. Greater than and equal to, GT stands for greater than and equal to. With the help of that we can find. So here is the condition is year experience greater than or equal to 7. Firstly key, then operator, and then value. So yeah, here we have got key measure. Previously with greater we have not got any kind of result, so it was only about greater than, it was not greater than equal to. So yeah, first, like I said, first object in the find function is condition, and second object is selection fields. So now let's see another comparison operator, that is less than. Here I'm trying to find applicants which have year experience less than 7. So here no equal to going to apply, so I'm going to get a 3 users or applicants in the response, as Kim, a 4th user, have a 7 years of experience. Okay, so yeah, it is the less than 7. Kim has a 7, so yeah, it is going to find less than that only. So Kim is not going to be seen in the output. Now when I apply less than or equal to, it previously we applied $LT, now we are applying $LTE, which stands for less than or equal to. Okay, as here we have got all the users, applicants as Kim also, because first in this condition we applied LT, and previously we applied less than only. So yeah, this is how work. So till now we have covered all the comparison operators, that is equal to, not equal to, greater than, equal to, less than, equal to. These many comparison operators was there. Now let's see logical operators. So there are 4 logical operators: and, or, nor, and not. So again, find is going to take 2 objects as per our requirement. First will be the condition object and second will be the selection object, and pretty will be responsible for formatting. So yeah, firstly let's see and operator. And operator is going to take a value of array which has a array of conditions. If all the conditions in that array is going to be satisfied, then only we are going to get the result. Here I am trying to say is that find where applicants have years of experience greater than 7 and applicant name is Kim John. So yeah, when both these conditions are going to satisfied, then only we are going to get the result. If any of the condition is not going to satisfied, we are not going to get the result. In order to the document get outputted in the response, the document need to satisfy both the condition that has been mentioned in array, which has been mentioned before. After that, $and operator. Here in projection we have added applicant name, year experience and email. So as per the output, yeah, both of the condition has been satisfied. Applicant name Kim have a 7 years of experience. So yeah, both the condition has been satisfied. And yeah, as we have only Kim named only one applicant and it has only 7 years of experience. It has. Now let's see our operator. As I said earlier, find first will be responsible for taking condition first object inside the find function, and second object will be the selection field, or you can say projection fields that you want to get in the response. Let's add selection field. Are also going to take a array as a property which is going to have a array of conditions. If any of the condition of that array is going to be satisfied, that document is going to be outputted. It's going to be included in output. So here we are trying to say if years of experience is greater than 1, this is the first condition. And Okay, let's say 2. If years of experience is greater than 2, or condition can be added uh, like applicant name, okay, so it should give us a result of the documents which have at least one condition satisfied. So here you can see the year of experience is greater than 2. First two documents have just satisfied the first condition, and the last document have satisfied the second condition, and as a result we have got 3 documents. Now if you do less than, so there is a no less than 2 years of experience applicant. So Kim Jeon applicant has satisfied only one condition. That's why we have got that only document in the output. So this is how OR works. If any of the condition gets satisfied, that document is going to be added in the output. And OR and is opposite to OR, that all conditions need to be satisfied in order to be added in the output. Now let's see NOR. NOR also takes array of conditions. When both the conditions are not going to satisfy, then only that document is going to be added in the output. So condition was, if year of experience not greater than 2 and applicant is not Kim Jong, then only print. So the Lena boss has less than 2 years and 2 years of experience, and also its applicant name is not Kim Jong, so that's why it has been outputted. We have got in the output. So it has satisfied both the condition. In case of NOR, both the condition need to be satisfied, first one and also second one. It is opposite of not and, we can say it is not and NOR. So till now we have completed and, or, NOR logical operators. Now let's see NOT operator. Let's write selection fields in the second object of find function. Prerequisite for this is we need to have installed Mongo on our computer system or your machine. Okay, here what we have condition added here is, if your experience is not 7, so ideally it is going to give us an error as not equal to should be in there. Equal to, not equal to, we need to add query like years of experience not equal to 7. So yeah, firstly not operator inside that equal to operator and 7. So this query can be read like year experience not equal to 7. Then select applicant name, years experience and format it. Find all the documents which has year experience not equal to 7. Now let's see exist element operator. So firstly exist. This operator is responsible to check whether the field exists or not in the and return those many fields which do have that field, or if they do not, based on that we can return the documents. So here let's see, like first will be the condition cycle, will be the selection fields. Here applicant name, let's check, let's print all the documents which have email field. So yeah, first email field and then exist operator true. So yeah, we have 4 documents in our database and all the documents have email field. So yeah, we have got 4 documents in response. Now I have changed field name as emails, so emails field does not exist. So yeah, we have got no response in the output. Now let's see next exist element operator in MongoDB. Okay, let's see if applicant name, for applicant name it works or not. Exist check count. So yeah, all the 4 documents have applicant name, so we have got the count 4. Find dot count, whatever the for condition that find is going to evaluate based of that condition, whatever the collection is going to find count for that. That is how that query gets translated by the MongoDB. So now let's see the next exist element operator, that is type. Type is to make a comparison with the data type of the particular key in the document. So suppose year of experience is type of number, so I want to find all the documents which have years of experience in number format only. This scenario is to check if any user has by default or by mistake, if any of the year of experience has gone in string format, then we want to skip that documents in the result. So yeah, all the documents have years of experience in number format only in number data type only. As a result, we have got 4 documents in output. So yeah, now moving towards, so yeah, so limit is used to apply the limit or the found output. So yeah, here let's check all the fields. That's for the query we are going to make as per that only. So yeah, So status field is a string. Now let's see exist element operator, that is not in. So distinct is used to find a distinct values of particular field. So here whenever I have tried to find distinct values of status field, so it has returned me 4 values, that is closed, ongoing, and selected, resubmitted array of values, distinct values of status field. And their jobs.count has given me the documents count present inside the jobs collection. Count has returned all the documents as we have not mentioned any kind of condition in the count. Now here db.count, let's apply $not in operator, that is exist element operator, that comes into the category of exist element operator and also in array operator category. So here I want to find all the applicants which has been not selected, which has been selected and whose process is ongoing. So yeah, so the query states that find all the elements whose status is selected and in the is in selected and ongoing status. $index array of values to check or make a comparison, or yes, so yeah, I want to find not in those status values. I want to find all the applicant which don't have selected and ongoing status. So here Jane Smith and Kim Young don't have selected and ongoing status. Let's see $all. It is also one of the exist element operator and also array operator. It also comes under the category of array operator and exist element operator. Till now we have seen basic create, read, update, delete operations in the Mongo database, then comparison operators, then logical operator, and now we are seeing exist element operator. In create, read, update operation, we have seen insertOne, insertMany function to make an insertion, and in updation we have seen updateOne, updateMany. In deletion we have seen deleteOne, deleteMany. So these are the create, update and delete operation. In case of find read operation, we have seen findOne and findMany. So here as we have applied all operator and it has been not worked. Okay, we can see this at the end of the video. There's something has been missing. Why and why it is not giving the output. Okay, let's see this at the end of the video. So as I was saying, we have seen create, read, update and delete operation till now. Also comparison operators, that is equal to, that is $eq, again $ne, that is not equal to, again greater than gte, that is greater than equal to, and less than equal to, that is lt and lte. Again, we have seen logical operators, that is and, $and, which takes array of conditions, $or array of condition, nor array of conditions, not can be used with equal to operator, and we are seeing exist element operator. We have seen till now exist, type, not in. Now let's see size operator. Size operator is useful to find size of field which is of type array. So yeah, in our current collection of applicants, we have skills field which is array of elements. So yeah, we can find size, or we can find the documents which have skills at least 5. Okay, so here I'm using it wrong way. It should be dollar size. Okay, it is again wrong. It should be in another way. It should be db.jobs.find dollars skills dollar size 5, skills where size is 5. Find all the documents who has skills size is 5, who has skills at least 5. That should be the query. So let me rewind some of the concepts which we have covered till now, or the functions. InsertOne, insertMany, findOne, findMany, updateOne, updateMany, deleteOne, deleteMany. Then equal to, not equal to, greater than equal to, less than equal to, and or nor, not, exist, type, not in, all, and size. And currently we are seeing size. So as I said, skills, size 5. Find all the documents which have skills field size 5. So yeah, okay, at least we have 4, as we don't have any skills filled with 5 size. Let's add 4. So yeah, it should return at least one document. Okay, count 1. Yeah, so yeah, our find condition has found one document and we have returned count. Let's add some selection fields and yeah, print all the documents. So yeah, Jen Smith has a 4 skill set. So yeah, we have got output of Jen Smith only. So yeah, our current query is correct and giving the response as expected. So first is a condition object and second is a selection object inside the find. So yeah, whenever there is no condition, it's going to select all the documents. And yeah, as we have mentioned the selection field, it had selected that only fields of from all the documents to output. Now let's see how we can do sorting in MongoDB. So you can use sort function, and inside that you can add an object with field name and order. So here -1 indicates I want to get output as per that field in descending order. So year of experience in descending order. So here Kim Jong has 7, then Ratri is 5, Jen 3, Lena 2. So yeah, we have got output in descending order of a year experience. Now let's see limit function. Limit function is limits number of document to be printed or to be get inside the output. First is the selection and second is the selection, and first one object in find is condition, and pretty is to format. So as we have set limit to, so yeah, it is going to print 2 documents only. As find has no condition, it should have returned all documents, but as the limit has been set to, that's why only 2 documents has been printed. Now see skip. Skip is responsible for the skipping number of documents. When you mention a number there, that many of documents going to be skipped out of that limit. So here as out of 4, 2 documents, first 2 document has been skipped and last 2 document has been printed. If I want to print to skip 3 out of 4 documents. So yeah, what it is going to print is that it is going to print the 4th document out of that limit. Okay, so limit was the 4. Out of 4 skip 3. That is how query is going to pass. Limit is 4. Out of 4 skip 3 and print remaining ones. So if skip was 2, then out of 4 skip 2 and print remaining 2. It is going to skip first 2. Out of that 4. Okay, now skip is done, and yeah, it has given us the 4th document. 4th document is given here. Let's see count. So count function is responsible to find the count of number of count basis on the condition of a particular collection. When there is no condition, it is going to return count of all the documents, and when there is a condition, it is going to return count as per the satisfied condition. So here applicant name Kim, if applicant name is Kim Yeon, return that many of documents count. So yeah, I want to find the count whose applicant name is Kim. So yeah, there is only one document whose applicant name is Kim. So yeah, that's working fine as expected. Now let's move towards this thing. distinct is used to find the distinct values of particular field. So inside distinct we are going to mention the field name of which you want to find the distinct values. So yeah, here I am mentioning year of experience as a field name of which I want to find all the distinct values in the collection. So yeah, that year of experience will need to be mentioned in the double quote. So I want to find all the distinct values of year of experience field. So yeah, 2157, that are the unique values, distinct values of that field. Now I want to find of status. So yeah, closed, ongoing, selected, submitted. That many of unique or distinct fields values are present of that field. Now skills is an array. So yeah, it is going to be applicable for arrays also. So it is going to find all the distinct values from all the arrays of all the documents. And we have got the output. So yeah, distinct values from all the arrays of skills from the collection. Now let's see regex regular expressions. Okay, how we can use regular expression operator with find. Firstly field name, and after that regex operator, and yeah, whatever the pattern, regular expression pattern you want to mention. If you want to find a string with start, or if you want to find a document which start with particular string, then yeah, you can use this format. Here I want to find applicant name starting with Kim. So firstly key, after that regex operator, and yeah, then I want to find starting with Kim, caret sign indicates starting with Kim, and yeah, here will be the selection fields or selection projection fields I want to be having the output. So yeah, applicant name is the only field I want to get in the output right now. So yeah, there is only one document which start with applicant name Kim. So yeah, we have got one document only. Now I'm adding, if you want to do case sensitivity, so you can do with adding I at the end. I is going to perform case sensitivity. Sorry. So yeah, we have got the output as per our requirement. So yeah, this is how we can use $regex. Now let's see createIndex. So in order to create indexes, we can use createIndex function in MongoDB. By default, _id has primary index. Here createIndex, I'm trying to create index on years of experience. Here 1 indicates I want to create index in what manner, ascending or descending order. So yeah, when I say 1, I want to create index in ascending order. So how to list out the indexes? So yeah, db.jobs.getIndexes. So here job is not a collection, jobs is a collection. So yeah, that's why it has given us an error again. Yeah, it needs to be job. So db jobs dot list indexes also is not a function. We need to be do db.jobs.getIndexes. Then only that query is going to work. If above the year experience while creating index, if it was -1, I meant to say create index with descending order. So yeah, this is the listing. db.jobs.getIndexes has been listed. So first is a underscore id that is by default created index with the collection, and yeah, year experience is the index we have created right now, and its name is year experience underscore 1. Now let's drop index with the help of drop index function. Till now we have completed create, read, delete operation. Again, comparison operators, logical operator, exit operator, then regex operator, then sort, limit, skip, count, distinct. And now we are seeing indexes operations. So yeah, here's db.jobs of top index. Okay, job experience of 1 is need to be in double quotes. We have did here wrong. The double quote need to be in at last. Yeah. So yeah, you can see indexes was 2, okay 2, okay 1. So yeah, as you can see, underscore is still remain. Or year expense 1 has been deleted. I feel less down. Again create index and list indexes. So yeah, you can see the 2 indexes again there. Now drop all the indexes at once. For that there is a drop indexes method. We have seen right now drop index is dropping one index at a time, where drop indexes is to drop multiple indexes or all indexes at a time. So yeah, this is how you can create, delete and list down indexes in MongoDB. So till now we have covered create, read, update, delete operation, logical operator, comparison operator, exist element operator, regex operator, limit, skip, sort, count, distinct and indexes. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys have found it useful.